Good morning or good evening. Unang-una, gusto kong magpasalamat sa mga naririto at nakiki-celebrate sa aking kaarawan or sa selebrasyon ng aking kaarawan. Nagpapasalamat din ako at ako'y patuloy niyong sinusuportahan at lalo akong nagpapasalamat na nang ako'y humingi ng video greetings para sa aking premiere ay pinadalhan ninyo ako. 'Di ba? At saka nakita ko ang inyong sincerity. So maraming salamat sa mga bumati sa akin. Um, um, sa araw na ito, sana naman mag-enjoy kayo. Kahit na hindi nyo makamit, ang gusto talaga ninyong makamit. Pero masaya na ako kasi nakikita ko kayo nandiyan kayo. Patuloy na sumusuporta sa akin. Kahit na minsan hindi ako maka-LS kasi syempre ang aking talagang work is intense. Alam mo, gusto kong mag-LS, hindi ako maka-LS. Pero kasi alam ko nandiyan kayo naghihintay Kaya maraming salamat talaga. No, salamat and let's enjoy. Thank you.
Hello. Hi, Ma'am Delma. Andito po ako para i-grade kita ng happy birthday po. Sambahan kita ha. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, Mami Delma in Las Vegas, ang nag-iisang Delma in Las Vegas. Wow! Happy birthday to you, Mami. I love you so much. Lagi niyo pong ingatan ang inyong kalusugan kasi yan ang isa sa pinaka-importante sa mga panahon ngayon. I love you. Enjoy your day. Have a great day. I love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Tita Delma Stafford Gali. Thank you so much for everything. I wish you all the best in life, especially your health. And I'm so grateful that God put you in this earth to help us. Be safe, have fun, take pictures, and enjoy your day. Have a blessed, Tita.
Happy birthday, Delma. Stay safe and healthy. God bless.
Hello, Mami Delma. Ayan, gusto lang po kitang i-greet ng happy birthday. So, syempre sa small period of time nagkaroon na naman ako ng panibagong nanay sa YouTube channel. So, wish you all the best at saka yun, pagpatuloy nyo lang po yung ginagawa nyo kung saan kayo masaya. At alam ko marami kayong gustong tulungan. Marami kayong gustong tulungan, so keep going lang, keep it up. So, ayun po. Happy birthday po ulit. Bye!
Hello, Auntie Delma. Happy birthday po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga tulong na binibigay niyo po sa akin at sa pamilya ko. Salamat po, Auntie. Ikaw po yung naging tulay para po makapag-aral ako ulit. Salamat po. Sana po mas marami pa pong blessings at mas marami pa pong birthday ang dumating po sa inyo. You are proof that family is not about blood. It's about who is willing to hold your hands when you need it the most. Again, Auntie, happy birthday po. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po, Tita Auntie. Wish ko lang po sana mabigyan ka pang ng mahabang buhay at lakas at malusog na pangangatawan. I love you po.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. More birthday and blessings to come. Good health and good luck all the coming years. We love you po and see you soon.
Hello, Mami Delma. Happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come. God bless you always, Mami. And more blessings to come. Again, happy birthday to you, Mami. Maraming salamat at nakilala kita bilang mami ko sa YT World. Maraming salamat kasi napaka-supportive mo, lalo na sa akin. Lagi kang andyan pag naka-LS ako, kahit silent LS, andun ka palagi. Maraming salamat, Mami. At sana, ang wish ko sa'yo, sana lagi kang healthy, malayo sa sakit, at marami pang blessings na darating sa'yo. Mami, kakantahan kita ng happy birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mami. In Arabic song. Sana helwa ya Jamil. Sana helwa ya Jamil. Sana helwa, sana helwa, sana helwa ya Jamil. Happy birthday sa napakabait at napakaganda kong Mami. Salamat, Mami. I love you. Love. Mwah!
Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Kakantahan kita ng happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate. Maraming salamat uli.
Kumusta po, Tita Delma? Maligayang kaarawan.
Happy birthday, Auntie Delma. Me and my friend David wish you a happy birthday full of lots of love and joy.
Hoops! Para sa Mami Delma na apaka-fresh na nag-iisa, happy birthday! Hey!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hoops! Hey! So, what's up, Mami? So, it's me, Maestro Volts is in Las Vegas! Okay, so I want to greet you a happy birthday. A happy birthday, I want to greet you because happy birthday, it's your birthday. Okay, so Mami Delma, thank you very much for all the love, all the efforts you've given to me and to us, to the whole universe, to all the country, Philippines. It's more fun in the Philippines. Oh yeah, alright. We will gonna win this cheer tonight. Okay, so Mami Delma, so it's been, yes, I'm speaking, I'm nose bleeding, okay, Tagalog na lang tayo, guys. Okay, so Mami Delma, maraming salamat for being so motherly to us. Papasalamat talaga kami sa busilak na kalooban na meron ka. Maraming salamat, Mami Delma. Maraming salamat. Okay, so just of course, be a blessing. Continue to be a blessing to bless others. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. So, with this, praying that God will continue to bless you more and more and more. God will continue to give you a good health. God will continue to give you a good heart. Of course, especially as you inspire people. Thank you very much, Mami Delma. My name is Mr. Walter Logan, aka Sir Bolts, and in my YouTube is Maestro Bolts, and I am signing off. Hey, happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Sister, happy birthday. To you. My beautiful sister. Come on. Hi, come here.
Hi, Madam Delma. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, sister. Sister-in-law.
Happy birthday, sister. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tita. Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, from me and Seiji. Bye. Happy
Bye-bye.
birthday. Thank you.
Have a better day.
BFF Downs, good morning. I'm just waking up. Happy birthday to you. More blessings to come. Hip hip hooray! Happy birthday! Yay! Roses for you. The color of the year, yellow. Bye!
Happy birthday, Mom. Love you. Showing you love all the way out here from Germany. Hope you have a great day. You don't look older than 22. Love you.
Day. Maupay o may mainiswag niya pag-celebrar sa imo birthday. Happy birthday. Tagang kakunta sin maupay nga mga lawas, panhuna-huna, ngan nga tanan nga imo karuyag san imo kinabuhi ihatag san Ginoo sa imo tungod sa imo kamahinatagon, kamabinuligon nga sa imig kasitawo, ang imo mga kauropdan, ug nga tanan nga imo mga kasangkayan. Again, Iday, happy birthday. Regards to everyone.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Mare. Greetings from Amsterdam, the Netherlands. I would like to greet you a happy birthday and best wishes for good health and everything. Happy birthday. Sing yan, Gabi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sige, ma. Happy birthday, Ninang Del.
Happy birthday, Ninang Del. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay. Kusya. Swaya. Happy birthday!
Hello guys! Happy birthday! Siguro, ano ka na ngayon? 39. Kasi 29 pa rin ako. Anyway, happy birthday. I love you, Inday. Hi, my BFF, Delma. Happy birthday. May God always bless you with happiness and joy. Long health. Love you. Mwah. Many more years. Many.
Okay.
Hi!
Ate Dilma, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dilma!
Happy birthday, Insan. I wish you more birthdays to come. Good health, more blessing. Stay strong. Enjoy your day. God bless you. Go!
Ano? Hi, friend. Maligayang bati sa iyong katawan. Naway pagpalain ka ng mahal na Panginoon. Sana'y lagi kang maligaya at ilayo sa mga sakuna. Bagkus, panatilihing malusog at malakas ang mga pangatawan. At malayo sa mga sakit. Happy birthday, best friend.
Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys. What's out mga lods? Bago ang lahat, gusto ko lang batiin ang ating mami na mabait, matulungin, sexy at may pangmalakasang ganda na si Mami Delma in Las Vegas. Happy birthday to you! Ito po ang inyong lingkod, ang master ng gaming squad na may pangalang hinusgahan pero di kayang harapin. Just call me Hugotero Gaming. Signing off. Matsala mga lods!
Birthday, Mami Delma. Sana po marami ka pa pong birthday marating and God
Hello,
bless.
Mami Delma. Happy birthday sa'yo. More blessings to come para po marami pa po kayong matulungan at mapasaya. Nandito lang po kami nakasuporta lagi sa'yo. God bless po. Ingat kayo palagi.
Happy birthday to BFF Delma. Advance happy birthday. I'll be playing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. God bless you and many more birthdays to come, BFF. Love you and miss you.